Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to make a useful, safe, and good-looking saw. First, grab a short piece of 21mm PVC pipe and cap one end. Then fill the pipe with sand. Once it's packed full, cap the other end. Heat up the pipe. Do you know why I put sand inside the pipe? That's right. The sand helps us bend it into the shape we want more easily. Once the pipe hardens again, go ahead and dump all the sand out. Use a T-connector and attach the small pipe pieces together. At this point, can you see how the shape of our pipe is starting to look like a handsaw? To secure the saw blade, we'll use a long screw. Cut it in half, file it down thin, and drill holes at both ends. Next, drill 2 holes in the PVC pipe frame. Finally, attach the saw blade to the frame and tighten the screws. And that's it. Our project is complete. Let's check it out and see how well it works. Thanks for watching, everyone. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to support the channel.